Hello everyone, it's Mr. Chris from Rockstar Ballet. It's good to see you. Today we're going to take you through a more advanced pirouette combination with the help of Miss Julia, Miss Aubrey, and Miss Elizabeth. As you can see, they're going through the combination right here. It has nice balances, tombe pas de bras into the pirouettes, then a pirouette into en dehors, and a pirouette into arabesque. So let's slow this down. So as they take the tombe pas de bras, I want them to push their heel forward, get a nice susu in the pas de bras, right, nice and clean. Keep the shoulders nice and even, the hips nice and even. Push down through that leg as long as you can. Finish the spot out. Now Miss Julia here needs to keep her hip back a little bit as she's descending in the plie, and that way she'll be able to step forward with her heel and step into a better turnout for the pas de bras. Now I'd like you to get into the hip, push into your forward hip to do the en dedans turn, and free up that second spot so you can get all the way around through that position. And I want to slow this way down in this tombe pas de bras. And let's focus on Miss Julia here. She's going to keep her shoulders nice and open. She's going to open up her downstage arm, but she's going to keep space so the audience can see her face and see that nice frame. And then she's going to change her focus and go into a nice, clean, open fourth, getting ready for the pirouette en dehors. And now she does the pirouette. And to start the spot, I'd like to leave her head a little bit longer and complete the pirouette all the way through it. All three ladies there. Julia descends into a lovely arabesque and then a very nice susu to finish it off.